The map told us where time goes. Before we collect a single number to prove it, we decide what to measure, how, and who does the counting. That's the data collection plan, and it lives in the toolkit, which we're opening for the very first time. Every assignment carries its own toolkit, and you reach it from the assignment itself. The Go-To menu up beside Report is how you get to everything that isn't a tab. The Executive Summary, the Shadowing Screen, the Data Playground, the A3 Report. Toolkit. 34 tools mapped to DMAIC, grouped by the phase you'd use them in. 4 for Define, 10 for Measure, 9 for Analyze, 6 for Improve, 5 for Control. Everyone works the same way. Open it, and everything saves as you type. There is no Save button anywhere in here. We're in Measure, so the one we want is the data collection plan. 1 row per measure, 7 honest questions each. First, the star of the project. First response time, defined as business hours from ticket creation to the first human reply, auto replies excluded. That definition matters. It's the difference between everyone counting the same thing or arguing later. Unit, hours, sample size, 120, that's 12 random tickets per business day for 2 weeks. Dana collects it daily. Second, arrival volume, tickets created per business day. Straight from the system report, Marcus owns it. And third, a quality check, whether the first reply names an owner and a next step. 30 random replies a week, Alex reads them herself. 3 measures, each with a definition, a sample size you can defend, and a named owner. When the data arrives next lesson, nobody will argue about what the numbers mean. That argument was settled here. See you there.